Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the small haul for Tuesday morning. I went to, I only got a chance to go to one Tuesday morning, and I was trying to see if we had the Spellbinders dies, so we didn't, but this is what I did get from that Tuesday morning. I did get 2 of the Sizzix embossing folders, so they have 6 each, so these are $3.99. And the first one is called Expedition Set. So these are like your border strips, and these are the sizes are A2, which just basically means they're 5.5 long and 1 1/4 inch wide. So these are great for, to me, you know, you can use like strips just like this, but also in the back of the envelope or the bottom of a page that you send to somebody. It's also a neat way to use that. So this one is 1978463. The words are adventure, journey, discover, explore, go, see, do, and found. Hopefully that's not too, I don't know if you can see it, but it's still dark. It's early in the morning. I'm going to go head back out of town with my supervisor. So this one is called Authentic Sect. And it's 1978462. Yeah, so they got different numbers. And this one says, wonderful, fabulous, lucky, beautiful, good times, and hello. I did find one HM house mouse stamp, and this one is with an open book, and they're reading a story. And it is Mud Pie Tail. 2045016 for $3.99. I don't know which way it's going to show up. But that's them reading the story. This has been out. This is nothing new, but I actually picked it up from my aunt. She has, I always joke about, she has this ministry of card giving. And so a lot of cards I get her. She gives cards literally like to everybody. She works at a hospital, and she is always giving out cards for like everything. She'll send you a card, which is so cool, because you know it's nice to get in the mail a card versus a bill or advertisement. But she loves to send hand cards to people. She ain't gonna make them though. I'm gonna still put them together and give it to her. 2010126 for $2.49. And like I said, you've seen this. This is A.G. Anna Griffin. This is the Get Well one. I mean, they've been there forever. I don't know why this stuff. I thought I should get it to her. And of course, when I was looking for all the other sets, they weren't there. This is Shamel's box of crayons, ephemera, 40 pieces. She got you some gold glitter here and some cute little images for $1.49. 2038620. So that's what the front of the packaging looks like. And then this is the back, so you can kind of see some of those images. And I hope the light is not too glaring. But like I said, it's still kind of dark, and then it's, I don't know. It's so hard when it's the season change to get the lighting right. I saw these Amy Tangerine Brainstorm 8 adhesive pockets, and it's 2052239. Of course, I thought these would be great. You can use this in your TNs, of course, but junk journals, traveler's notebooks, a smash book, scrapbook page. You can also use these flip books as well. So you just have some options that you can use these for. So I got them because I thought you could do different things with them. 2052239 for $2.19, and they give you, there's 2 of each design, and there's 4 designs, as you can see. So they're acetate, so they're rather clear looking, so can't really see them too well. So that's kind of what they look like. This says, aren't you lovely? I'm going to say, aren't you lonely, Lord? And the cityscape, and then the floral. So, and that's the size in relation to my hand. So the next thing that I got was the Maggie Holmes for Flourish. Some of her ephemera. $1.99. So you got your rosette, your butterflies, some yeah, that rosette, and it is 2045044. I want to say shredded. That's not the word I'm looking for. You can make some clusters out of that. And also got this one. Her sticker accents. It says something like, smile, hello darling, how lovely. Today, blessed, so nice, good times, nothing better, sweet, life-changing moments, you are loved. The sweetest thing, wishing, great, just great, shine on. Marvelous, sweetie. Everything's nice, incredible. So just a whole bunch of different stickers. These go great on any layout or any embellishments that you make. 2045054. So this is like a maybe like a 6 by 12. Got two more of the word sentiments, which I like to put on. You can put these on a layout, also on the cover of a journal, scrapbook or whatever, book or whatever that you make, mini album. So these are both 99¢. The first one says Journey, 2029505. Of course, his height is swap, and everybody knows she has that unique font. And this one says Adventure, and it's 2029503. And I picked up some on my last haul. Another stamp pendant stamp, and for $1.99. Kind of expensive, but I love the teeny one. But it says sending you great big hugs, and sometimes you need that little encouraging sentiment. 2044915. So that's what I got, even though I hate to pay $2 for it. Definitely hate to pay $5 for this, but it is 6 cards. Again, I thought maybe giving this to my aunt. And it says thank you, because she does a lot of thank you cards. So I thought these would be different, because she's, to my knowledge, she's never seen shaker cards. So 1995452. She may have, I don't know, but she sends traditional cards that she buys. So whenever I see her, I give her some of mine, but I don't get to see her enough. This one is the glassine. Of course, it's food safe and grease resistant. We have memory keepers, 24 count glassine bags. This goes with either one of those envelope bag makers, the scalloped or the straight edge one that they had out, and I have both of those. $4.99. 2043821. Hobby Lobby also used to sell this as well. This tears very nicely, and of course you can emboss. You can cut out a circle with one of your dies or punch. So you have a peek out window, put a little acetate or and then kind of that, you got some of that leftover paper that you have your stamps sticking to, you can use that as well. So that is it for this particular haul. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.